Before you buy the Most Finance iPhone app, there are a few key things you need to know. With so many finance apps on the market, like Mint or YNAB, it's important to understand where Moss stands out and where it might fall short for your needs. First, Most simplifies your budgeting by allowing you to link all of your accounts, credit cards, and loans in one place. Unlike some competitors that require manual entry, Most automatically pulls in transaction data, giving you a comprehensive overview of your finances without the hassle. However, while this feature is convenient, it's only as good as the data it can retrieve. Some users have reported occasional syncing issues with smaller banks or less popular financial institutions, so it's important to check compatibility before fully committing. Next thing, Most offers a clear, user-friendly interface. The app is clean, with straightforward navigation, making it easy to set up budgets and track spending. This is a big advantage over apps like YNAB, which can have a steeper learning curve, especially for new users. However, some might find Most a bit too simple compared to more advanced tools that allow for detailed financial projections or investment tracking. The third thing you should know is that Most is designed to help you save money by analyzing your spending patterns and suggesting areas for improvement. It's not just about tracking, it's about actively helping you reduce unnecessary expenses. But while this is a great feature, it's not as personalized or in-depth as some other apps that offer more tailored advice based on your financial goals or lifestyle. The fourth thing to consider is Mouse's focus on credit score tracking. This is an increasingly popular feature, and while Mouse does give you an overview of your credit score, it's not as detailed or comprehensive as tools like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame, which provide more granular insights into what's affecting your score and how to improve it. Fifth, Mouse offers a premium subscription that unlocks additional features like more detailed reporting and customization options. While it's reasonably priced compared to apps like Mint or YNAB, which charge higher fees, some users might feel that the free version of Moss offers just enough functionality to meet their needs without upgrading. The sixth thing to consider is customer support. Moss has a solid support system with a responsive help desk, but it's worth noting that it doesn't offer 24/7 support like some bigger financial apps. So if you encounter an issue outside regular hours, you might need to wait for a response. Next thing to know is about security. Moss takes security seriously with encryption and other safety features to protect your data. However, just like with any app that connects to your financial accounts, it's important to be cautious and consider if you're comfortable with the level of access the app requires. Another important point is that Most doesn't include investment tracking or advanced tools for investors. If you're looking for something that helps you manage investments or stocks alongside budgeting, you might want to explore alternatives like Personal Capital or Mint, which offer more investment-focused features. The ninth thing to note is the app's expense categories. Most automatically categorizes your spending, but sometimes the categories can be a little too general, meaning you might need to manually adjust them. While this isn't a huge issue, it can be time-consuming if you're looking for a more accurate, automated categorization system. Next, let's talk about the app's Goals feature. This is where you can set savings or financial goals and track your progress. It's a nice feature, but it's not as flexible or as in-depth as what other apps like Capital offer, which allows for more granular control over your saving strategies. The 11th thing to consider is how Most handles notifications. While the app does a great job of alerting you when you're overspending in certain categories, it doesn't provide much in the way of proactive advice or reminders, which is something you'll find in other apps that have more robust features for financial management. Finally, Moss works well for budgeting and general finance management, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive financial solution, there are apps with a broader range of features that may be more suited to your needs. But if you're simply looking for a solid, easy-to-use budgeting app with a straightforward interface, Moss is a great option. It's definitely a solid choice for those who want simplicity and a clear view of their finances. But if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free and see how it compares.